What's going on, YouTube? I'm Mike with Penner Investments, and today I'm going to talk about a little discussed aspect of investing. Be sure to hit the like button, share this video so others may learn, and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on future content. Let's dive in. Once you get started investing and have several strategies going into your account, it is important to track your progress, and with the option strategies, keep notes on what is working and what did not work and why. It is also important to set goals for your account. For my option strategies, I like to shoot to bring in around 2% a month. This means for every $100,000 that you have in an account, you want to try and bring in $2,000 a month for that. I stay away from strategies where traders claim to make 5 or 10% a month, as these strategies are unrealistic and bring in higher risk to try and target too high of a consistent return. Occasionally in buying a put or a call option, leap options, these returns are occasionally possible but not consistent over every month. In my account, I purchase stock, add cash, sell puts, sell call options, buy options, and trade credit spreads, so it's important to keep track of all this. If you do not develop a way to track these items, it can be difficult for you to keep up with what is working, what is not working, and whether you're profitable for the strategies that you've been employing. For this, I'm going to show you the trades that I've made with my credit spread strategy and how I track those. As you can see, when this list I started in November, and many of my winning trades have brought me in a little over $30,000 in option premium in just a few months. When you take a closer look, you can see that the losers are in red. In mid-December, when the Fed report that drove the market down and caused me to close several of the credit spreads at a loss, those are marked in red. This drives home the important reason as why it's important to stick with the rules of a strategy. With my worst month of the year for this one strategy on the credit spreads, I was still a big winner with a whole $156.53 of profit. Yes, this is nothing compared to the credits I took in, but it's still profiting by sticking to the rules and cutting my losses immediately, setting my emotions aside when the strategy was going against me. I was still profitable. This was a 72% win rate, which was pretty low, and the strategy still put a little bit of money in the account. As you can see, I've included my last few trades on here as well, and they're still open, so I'll update you guys as I close those trades out as well. With the CPI data coming in with inflation down to 6.5% this past week, I'm a believer that the worst of the declines are baked into the prices, and pretty much the worst is behind us at this point. As the days come along with pullbacks, I'm still making put credit spreads, selling cash secured puts to stick with my strategy. When the market is up and having a big run-up day, and stock prices are above my cost basis, I'm selling the covered calls, as I talked about in my other videos, on any stock that I own 100 shares of. For the credit spread strategy that I have been discussing in detail recently, I'll continue to give everyone updates on how the strategy is holding up and discussing trades that I have entered and why that I entered those trades. Do not forget to make a note of when a stock has earnings as well. You want to stay away from doing any of these strategies when the stock has earnings coming out, as a poor earnings release can send a stock falling like a rock. As always, thanks for watching, and if there's ever anything you'd like to learn more about or have me discuss further, please drop a comment in the comment box. Good luck trading.